Want to sound more natural in English? Here's how to use while and whereas like a pro. Both while and whereas connect two ideas in a sentence, but they do it in slightly different ways. Let's start with while. We use while to show that two things happen at the same time. For example, Sarah cooks dinner while Tom sets the table. Here, both actions are happening together. But while can also mean although when we want to show a contrast. For example, while I love spicy food, my brother prefers mild dishes. So while can talk about time or contrast. Now, whereas is all about contrast. It shows how two things are different. For example, cats are independent, whereas dogs are loyal companions. See how whereas makes the difference clear? Let's try another. She likes summer, whereas I prefer winter. Simple, right? So, to recap, use while for actions happening at the same time, or to show contrast gently. Use whereas only to highlight differences. Next time you want to connect two ideas, pick while or whereas to sound more natural in English. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick English tips.